Alright guys, in today's video we are going to be getting to the zero gravity room, which I've actually never been to in my life. So I've actually just kind of wanted to try it out. Wait, what? Oh wait, huh? Wait, what? Yeah, these two legs are not down. I actually didn't know that. Anyways, we are going to go mining. Well, yeah, we're going to go to sewers, and I've actually never really explored sewers. The farthest I've gotten to is a red light, green light, because I don't go to sewers often. Well, besides if I'm trying to get research points. But if I'm trying to go to get research points, I usually just go to the main thing. Because I don't know. I know that there is ores in them. Oh yeah, I got new drip, sir. Yes, sir. I got the pimp hat or whatever. And then I got the purple glasses and the black AC jacket. Yes, sir. Oh god, no. Get out. Okay. So I haven't got enough money. No. Let's just go. Okay. Research points. Things maybe I can get a research point. Nope. Okay. Let's go here. Don't touch the elliptical. Jump up here. Okay. Now I knew about this because but I kind of, the only thing I've done over here is fight the mimic. So I really don't know. Oh no! And I know about those things because I've died to them a million times. That's alright. Like, there's the mimic. Who are you? Where are you? Oh, and it's the red light. It's another red light, green light, dude. Oh no, oh my god. Okay, let's get out of here. Ooh, I think this might be the way to the zero gravity room, I think. Probably. I had to take a guess that it probably is. Oh! Okay. Okay, I've seen that parkour before, but I didn't know that was here. Okay, I knew that. The only one I probably could not have done this was for Hookshot. So, Hookshot sponsor me. More. What? What the? Oh, there's more park. Okay. Another mimic? What? Oh my god, no, another bomb. Yeah, mimic, that's what I thought. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's a new door. Oh. Is it good, I guess? Maybe good. Okay. What the? Oh my god. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh. Oh my god. They're not the cheap. Of course I'm gonna use these to get there. Whee! Yeah, I'm broke now, but okay. I can just get money back. So hopefully, I'll take all my money here. All my money. Hopefully. Hey, Mick. You lucky little monkey. I hate how you can pounce. Really. Thought I saw it. Oh my god. I don't know how to defeat these things. Phew. Oh god, I'm low. It's wrong. Stupid haunted. I don't even know how to fight those. No, I never joined a haunted mansion. Here, I'm gonna use your usual. yeah. Try to do like to noodle make. Oh God! What course? Kryptonite. Hi, Mimic. Okay. Whew. How do I do? Okay. Just because hopefully there's stuff over there. Okay, now we do need a light, though I did forget that. Let's just not get the big backpack yet. I'm even broke. Yeah, I'm being very broke. Because I keep buying these stupid shots. Yeah, as you can know, you probably know already, I've never done this. So me trying to get here is like, okay, speed ready. God. Wait. Wait, not sure. Oh no, back here. No, not back there. If I die this time, I'm gonna end the video. Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost die on the parkour. Even not even on the scary lady. Okay. Over here. Go back. Down here. Oh my god, this is such a hassle. I'm gonna go over here. Right here. I go right there. Oh God, what do I do? Do I kill her? Hold up, let me get... And why can't she come out? Then I just have to keep going. Keep running. Oh my God. Alright, that's gonna leave it here. Maybe I'll try to get to the, thing, to that place next time when I'm with Ka. Alright, see ya. Oh no, I need to...